With some of these heavily backed horses, I can remember Bankable a few years ago for the Luca Kamani stable. Red Hot favourite. Going forward now is excellent guest Tom Queally. There's Johnny. 30 runners here at the mile. A charge up the straight. Coming forward now on the near side. Fair Trade. Just arms linked behind this one. Coming forward now. Prince of Johan nearest the camera. And you can see that stalls blanket just supposed to give the horse a little bit of security, a little bit of comfort and confidence. But it's not working at the moment. Going in beside Trade Storm, and Bray Hill, who went to post early, is on the far side. So Fair Trade really doesn't want to know here. Darrell Holland's the rider. Now they put the blindfold on. This is just a last attempt to try and encourage this horse to come forward. The link arms behind him. He's almost in. They've got him now, I think. And that's just about it. Fair Trade's in. They're set to go. Stand by. They're ready for the Hunt Cup. And they're racing. And away to a fair start too. One of the first away was Bray Hill in the centre as they split now into two groups, and right over on the far side of the early stages we can see Boogie Shoes there in company with Arabian Star, and up there as well too, showing plenty of speed, is Rock Critic. Just behind them in the early stages follows Just One for the Road. Also there as well as Boom and Bust on the near side as we focus on Bray Hill, who's up there, and now they seem to have converged the two groups. On the near side, Belgian Bill is not that far away, and Cavalier is showing plenty of speed. Trade Storm is there as well, and Don't Call Me, but Bray Hill takes them along in the Hunt Cup. Leads by a half length to Boogie Shoes and Arabian Star and Boom and Bust. The line of four. In behind them, Cavalier, followed then by Trade Storm, and they were followed then by Mullet Kalonk, and then Rock Critic on the far side. Coming up the stands rail now, starting to make some ground here as they come up down towards halfway. Stevie Thunder getting through now as they race up on the course proper. And they're all in the centre of the course here. Stevie Thunder and Belgian Bill trying to get out now. Just about there as well as Cavalier. Out Prince of Johan coming here on the stands rail. Ray here out of the centre, Don't Call Me, and also Dimension joining in. A furlong left to go on the Hunt Cup. Anybody's race. Don't Call Me in the centre from Dimension. On the near side, excellent guest. Also, Prince of Johan putting in giant strides. Don't Call Me being fed by Prince of Johan, and Prince of Johan getting home best of all. Prince of Johan wins it from excellent guest. In third there is Don't Call Me. Tight fourth. Finishing fastest field of Green and company with Invisible Man. Tarshem not that far away. Gapped into Stevie Thunder, and further back then was Bonnie Bray. Going across the line now, King's Trail, and coming in, tailed off, is Bridgefield. But Prince of Johan has got the money at 16-1, ridden by John Fahey. Prince of Johan, the Cambridgeshire winner, has now done it in the Hunt Cup. Two of the biggest handicaps in the calendar. Won it by about a half length. From Excellent Guest in second. Don't Call Me in third. In fourth on the stands rail, Field of Dream. In fifth was Invisible Man. Sixth, Kai Shen. Seventh, Stevie Thunder. Eighth then the Wellback Dimension. Ninth was Cavalier. Then in 10th was Man of Action, and they were followed by Belgian Bill on the near side, who's up there for a fairway. Captain Birdie, who showed a bit of pace as well. Albacar not that far away, Mabate behind them. Then Bray Hill, who was an early pace setter. And then Boom and Bust was further back. Edinburgh Knight never got into it. They were followed then by Rock Critic and King Taurus, and further back in the field then Bonnie Bray. Then Mull of Killock. And then a gap to Just One for the Road, and a fair gap then to Fair Trade, the horse who played up before the start and delayed them. Boogie Shoes, who showed plenty of pace, and then Common Touch, and then a long gap to Arabian Star, who shows speed, and coming some way behind them was Trade Storm. But there, no doubt about the winner. It is official, and the winner is number 8, Prince of Johan, ridden by John Fahey, trained by Tom Tate for David Story. Second is number 23, Excellent Guest, Tom Feely. Third, number 30, Don't Call Me, Sam Hitchcock. And fourth, number 17, Field of Dream, written by Jamie Spencer. A half length, 3/4 of a length, and the time 1:38.24.